by the flood?
Well, luckily I was on the second floor,
Oh, okay,
but
good.
our first floor is toast.
Yeah.
hmm They've been, I mean, it wasn't as bad as like Baronessa and Birchwood.
Mhm.
Yeah, they had to move all of the girls out. They moved them all up to like North Point or something, and they're tearing out all the carpet and the walls and cabinets and everything.
Okay, that's awful.
Yeah. I was fine, second floor, so we're
Yeah.
so grateful to live on a certain floor.
Yeah. It's like note to self: always get higher.
Yeah. How about you?
Nope, we were good. We were, since I'm on campus, we're at the top of the hill. So our first floor got like its water seeped through their door into just like their doorway, like, but that was it. Nothing at all, really.
Okay. Yeah, I think the apartment's like closer towards the temple. Like the closer you get to the temple is the probably safer you are.
Uh huh. Yeah, because I mean everything rushed down.
Mhm.
That's all the off campus. Plus they have the basement, like level rooms. And
Mhm.
that's where it just stays. Like it just all runs into there, and there's nowhere else to go. So it just floods up.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a crazy day. That was insane.
I mean, at first, like we were all like super excited. We're like, "This is so cool!" Until like we like found out like, oh, this is doing so much damage because we couldn't see the damage, and so it was all fun for us. And then we realized, oh, it's not a good thing anymore.
Yeah, it was so weird because it was like crazy hail and the wind and rain and everything. We're like, whoa, this is really intense. And we were like standing on our railing, just kind of like
Mm-hmm.
watching. And then we realized, like, oh, our parking lot's flooding. Like, it was so weird.
Dang. Yeah, yesterday, a couple of my roommates, we went to some houses, some like these like portable houses things, and we're helping um, like clean up the basement of this lady's house, and I mean we were there for like 2 hours, just getting all the mud out, and I mean they had already removed the carpet through the basement. We were cleaning like the mud. We were tearing out like a lot of the walls had kind of were just all wet, so they kind of took it out. So there's all these crumbs from the wall, and we were like sweeping everything up. We were scraping everything off. We were mopping everything up, and it was so much work. But yet there's like still so much work still to be done.
No, there's a lot. I
The
saw the pictures of like some apartments and some people's houses, and I just feel so bad.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, after this meeting, we're gonna go back and see because there's like a ton of houses. I don't know if you got like the message from Brother Clark, but he was just saying like, oh, if you want to help, like go to the activities, and so that's where I went, and they give us like a map of houses that needed, and they're like, just go there. They'll either send you somewhere or you'll work in that house, and so that's probably what we're gonna do tonight again.
Yeah.
Man, is it a lot of work? I'm like sore,
Yeah.
but I mean, it could have been any of us. Like, I just feel bad for those people because they literally did lose a lot, like either everything or just a ton of stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, and the students too, because students are already like strapped for money and everything, and then to like lose everything,
Yeah,
and for it to be like finals week, and you have to deal with that too. It's crazy.
yeah. It's just like not what people needed.
Yeah, it's been real. I mean, obviously, I wish it didn't happen. I wish those people didn't have to deal with this. But at the same time, it's been kind of cool to see people like jump into action and like
Mhm.
help people so much.
Yeah, definitely. No, I agree. Yeah, it's been an interesting week for
Very.
sure.
Yep.
So,
Well, should we get started?
yep.
All right.
So the Group meeting
Group
first.
meeting for lesson.
I don't know if you already did it or.
I didn't do it yet, but it's the isn't it just whatever the review was?
No, it's. Wait, you mean for the test that we have to take for the group meeting?
Yeah, isn't it just like the same questions that were on the review?
Oh, what were? Oh, I don't think for the. I don't know about the 23. Maybe the 24.
Okay, let's see.
I don't know. He has like the answers up for 23 and 24 anyways.
Yeah. All right, I'll open those up.
Okay. So yeah, I have them up as well.
My island is still acting kind of weird, so it might not let me open the notes from the instructor. I don't think it will.
Well, I can give it to you. That's fine.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that.
Okay. So
Alright, so lesson 23, group meeting.
23. You got the first and second one, true and true.
Yep.
Okay, so 3 is C. The equal and then not equal to zeros. 4 is B. It is different. Is the difference between the observed value, so on and so forth. 5 is D. The residuals look normally distributed.
Okay.
6 is A. The residents are between -40 and 35. I meant 25. 7 is C. The residuals are fairly normal. 8 is A, B, and C. So there's a linear relationship. The residuals are normally distributed and the variance of the error.
Okay.
And then 9 is 12.695. Then D is A. 10.7. 10.
Okay.
10 is 10.708. And 14.742. Did you get 9?
9 was 12.695.
Yeah. Okay, so 11 is B, rejected the null test, p-value is less than A. And 12 is C. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that the slope is not 0. And then 13 is body length, and 14 is A, since the confidence.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and submit it.
Okay. Cool beans.
We just got a check mark for this one, and I just got a check mark for the homework too. Is he like not grading them the same way?
What?
For this week's homework and for this group meeting that we just did, you know how normally it gives us percentage?
Yeah.
It only gives us like a check mark. So
I got 100.
Really? Because mine's just showing up as a check mark.
I don't know. I mean, mine came out as 100.
Alright, well.
So.
Oh well. Okay, so
So
Moving
then
on.
go to
Lesson 24.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay, so this is the review one, right?
Yeah, this is the review.
Okay.
So let's start that. Here. Okay, so true. So 2 is A, the number of people.
Okay.
Done. My word's being weird. Hold on.
Three is
Okay.
C. I know that one.
C.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So 4 is D. It's not possible. 5 is 2.5. Ow, my leg. 6 is 146.8. So 146.8. Okay. So 7 is then A, skewed right. 8 is 0. 9 is 0.991. 10 is A, the probability of type 1 error. 11 is B and C. We are and approximately. 12 is A. Yes, the distribution of sample is normal because the data are normal. 13 is 0.020. 14 is D, dependent sampling. And then it says he needs. 15 is 0.096. 16 is C. No, because the p-value was greater. 17 is B. Yes, the distribution of mean is normal because the data have been determined to be normal.
Wait, which one is that?
17 is B.
B, okay. I thought you said D.
Sorry, B.
Okay.
18 is C, the equal and not equal to 0. 19 is C. Wait, hold up. Is B. B, I think. I don't know, he has it weird. It's like You marked it C, but then the check marks next to B. Does that mean B's correct?
B looks correct. Yeah, I think B is right.
Okay. Should make sure that he didn't have that anywhere else. Okay. I'm just rechecking. Okay. So we're 20. So 20 is 50. $21 is D. No, 40 times 0.2330. 0.233 is less than 10. 22 is D, 51.2. 23 is 0.9, no, sorry, it's 0.099. $24 is C, 0.182. And 25 is the last one. Any N will do. Um, 26 is D, no. 27 is B, the UD thing. 28 is B. His actual weight loss was 5.5, is higher than predictable. 29 is C, as percent. 30 is B, D, and E. So again, that's B, D, and E. Okay. So 31 is 0.780. 32 is B, linear with fairly strong positive. 33 is 115. It's 115.64. So again, that's 115.64. So then the second part to 33 is 0.627.
But it says to round to 1 decimal.
Okay. We'll do 0.6. Does that mean we should add a 0 to the end of the first one?
Yeah, I might as well.
Okay. So then 34 is 241.0. So 241.0. Okay, 35 for the lower bound is 0.518. And the upper bound is 0.735. $36 is D, equal and not equal to. The B1 and B1, yeah, B1, sorry. 37 is 11 0.509. And then for the p-value, it's 0.000. That's just what they have for here. 38 is C, reject the null, or is sufficient. 39 is B. 40 is it's A. 40 is A. 41 is F. 42 is G. 43 is I. And I think that's it.
Yep. Alright.
Do we want to go over it or just...
Let's just go ahead and
What?
Unless there's anything in particular you want
Okay. No, I think I went over it and checked to see if it was good. On the last one I thought was wrong. But yeah, I think it's good. I'll submit it.
Okay.
Ow, my hands. 97. We got one wrong. What's that? We like the p-value. Watch. Oh. Oh, see, it's 33.
33.
Yeah, it's the one that we took off the 0.6.
Mm-hmm.
It said one decimal.
Yeah, I guess that was my fault.
No, it's all good. I mean, it says to round to the one decimal, so they were wrong by saying that.
Alright, well, that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's good enough for me. So now let me see this.
So now, do we want to go over PowerPoint?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. Because I already did the take action one. I just wrote like a 4-sentence paragraph. It's pretty easy. But I figured.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I just said something like if you need a certain amount of a certain color of Starburst, you can use this information to like figure out how many bags you need or something like that. Something ridiculous.
Mm-hmm.
But the PowerPoint, I figure we should work on together.
Yeah. So I'm going to pull that up right here. So, jeez.
So I don't think we all have to have the same PowerPoint, though. I think we're each supposed to do it individually.
Are we?
I think so. I mean, I guess we could have the same one. We would just all need to submit it individually, but we pretty much just have to take what we wrote on our other documents and just paste them onto a PowerPoint.
And just basically do a slide for each one of those?
Yeah, that's pretty much what it is.
Oh.
I might just copy and paste whatever I wrote on there onto here.
Yeah. And just making sure it looks decent. Yeah, yeah, I think that's literally all. So I think we can do it all by ourselves.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be that bad. It'll probably take you like 10 minutes.
Yeah, just copy and paste, copy and paste.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that literally is it. I don't think we need to go over anything or work on anything together. I mean, the structure is literally basically our assignments
Mhm.
for each of the weeks. So, yeah, I think we're good.
Yeah. Seems good to me.
Okay, cool. Is this our last group
Let me
thing?
check just to make sure. It says there is in group or in course conclusion. Oh no, there's not. It's listed as saying there is one, but then you like go to the page and it says there is no group meeting this week. Or let's check.
Oh,
Yeah, okay, so in the course conclusion it says there's a lesson 25, but you're really just supposed to review.
oh,
There's like not actually any work there, but the
uh-huh.
exam's in there. Yeah. How are you feeling about the exam?
How do I feel about it?
Yeah, like are you nervous or like feel like you've got a good handle on it?
Definitely don't probably have a good handle on it. I mean, I'm slightly nervous just because I have a grade that easily can be skewed down. Because I think, let me check. I have a 72 right now.
Mm-hmm.
So, I mean, depending on, I failed an exam before and I went down like 3 or so, 4%. So that could take me down to D. And if that, I mean, I'll have to like probably retake it.
I was
But I mean,
the what if calculator, and like I could fail it. Like I have like a 75, and I did the what if calculator, and I think I could get as low as like 42% and still pass the class. So I think we have a good like. I would like suggest using the what if calculator and figuring out. Because now knowing that, because I was nervous about the test, I'm like I could very easily fail this class. But like, after doing that, I'm like, okay, I could fail the test pretty badly and still pass. Like, it wouldn't be a great grade, but
and that also like depends on like our project, like how much our project's worth.
right, because that'll probably help bump us up. And we've been getting like a
Yeah.
hit on it so far.
Yeah. So I mean, if that's the case, I mean, I assume the PowerPoint and like would be kind of bigger because it's like basically the wrap up of all our information. So hopefully that'll be a good size. So if we get 100 on that, I mean, I hope my percentage will go at least to like a 73 or something. So then it'll give me a little more lenience for my test. But I think I just really have to pass this class.
I'm
Not necessarily need to pass the test, but
yeah, I'm just like I do not want to take this class again. I don't want to do it again.
oh heck no.
So I'm just gonna
I don't think I can do it.
I'm just gonna spend a lot of time on the test, just going through each problem in depth, just doing my best. I think it might actually be helpful that it's comprehensive because some of the stuff at the beginning of the semester was a lot easier.
Yeah, I mean, is it have to do with everything we've learned, or is it just?
I think it's comprehensive because that's what the review was comprehensive. So I'm assuming that it's comprehensive.
Okay. Yeah, so I mean, hopefully, because I mean, yeah, on the exams, that's where you kind of get messed up, is where it's like the like problems we're trying to solve it. Is this going to be like, okay, when it says comprehensive, is that just written out?
What do you mean?
What does it mean by it being a comprehensive test?
Oh, it just means it covers everything we've done for the semester.
Hold on, sorry. What did you say?
I just got confused when I walked in right when you
yeah.
I'm so, never mind, I'm leaving.
What did you say about the comprehensive? Sorry, someone else was trying to talk to me too.
Oh, it's okay. It just means that it covers everything we've done this semester.
Okay. Okay. I'm like, I don't even know where I. Okay. I'm really hoping that it's not too many, like, on our own, like, I mean, solving problems, because
Yeah,
at
well,
least when it's multiple choice.
I don't think it's going to be any longer than the other tests. And since they'll have more like stuff to cover, if we're going back to like chapter 1, it'll probably be only a couple questions per chapter.
Okay, yeah.
If that's how it's structured. For all I know, it's longer. I hope it's not longer. It might be. But yeah, it should just be like a couple questions from each lesson. So if there was a couple lessons that you struggled on, this might actually be helpful, because then if you get those wrong, it's only a couple questions.
Yeah, definitely. Hey, it was funny, I was looking at, like, where everybody, like, the instructors, where, like, people can message the instructor for this week's, like, is it comprehensive, or is it, can you redo it? And, like, one guy on there just seemed like he was so annoyed with the teacher, like, that's not what I asked, like, you're not answering my question, like.
He does that. That teacher does that, where I've emailed him a couple times in the semester, and, like, he never answers my question.
No, I know, I've done the same exact thing.
That's not what I asked. So, yeah.
I know, well, we do this course evaluation thing.
I didn't give him a very good course evaluation.
Yeah, I haven't done this yet. I've done like half my classes, but I'll do it in a bit. But, yep. Well, this has been good. I'm so glad we had group things, because I definitely wouldn't have been able to do it on my own.
Yeah, I'm really glad we got a group.
I know, like, it was like one of the things I like wrote about, like, on, I don't know what we had for this, like some evaluation or something, and I was like, oh, the group things were like the best idea ever. Like,
yeah, this was easily the best part.
Like, I would have been at a 0% pretty much right now.
Probably, I probably would be. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's been fun.
Yeah. We had a good group. I'm glad. I kind of liked having a small group.
Yeah, it's not too many voices, and like, you can just get right through it. It's always good. But, yep.
All right. Well.
I mean, good luck on your exam.
Yeah. Good luck to you too.
And with all your other classes as well.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks. Well.